The court then, sir, hath something else to say unto you, which, although I know it will be very unacceptable, yet notwithstanding, they are willing and are resolved to discharge their duty. Sir, the difference has been, who shall be the expositors of this law, sir? Whether you and your party, out of courts of justice, shall take upon them to expound the law, or the courts of justice, who are the expounders, nay, the sovereign and highest court of justice, the Parliament of England, that is not only the highest expounder, but the sole maker of the law. Sir, for you to set yourself, with your single judgment, and those that are dear unto you, to set themselves against the resolution of the highest court of justice, that is not law. Sir, as the law is your superior, so truly, sir, there is something that is superior to the law, and that is indeed the parent or author of the law, and that is the people of England. Sir, the term traitor cannot be spared. We shall easily agree it must denote and suppose a breach of trust. And therefore, sir, when you did break your trust to the kingdom, you did break your trust to your superior. Truly, sir, these are your high crimes, tyranny and treason. And there is a third thing too, and that is murder, which is laid to your charge. All the bloody murders that have been committed since the time that the division was betwixt you and your people must be laid to your charge that have been acted or committed in these late wars. Sir, all I shall say before the reading of your sentence, it is but this. The court does heartily desire that you will seriously think of those evils that you stand guilty of. Now, this court is, in judgment and conscience, satisfied that he, the said Charles Stuart, is guilty of levying war against the said Parliament and people, and of maintaining and continuing the same, for which, in the said charge, he stands accused. And, by the general course of his government, counsels, and practices, this court is fully satisfied in their judgments and consciences, that he hath been and is guilty of the wicked designs and endeavours in the said charge set forth, and that the said war hath been levied, maintained, and continued by him, as aforesaid, in the prosecution and for the accomplishment of the said designs, and that he hath been and is the occasioner, author, and continuer of the said unnatural, cruel, and bloody wars, and therein guilty of high treason, and of the murders, burnings, desolations, and mischief to this nation acted and committed in the said war. For all which treasons and crimes, this court doth adjudge that he, the said Charles Stuart, as a tyrant, traitor, murderer, and public enemy to the good people of this nation, shall be put to death by the severing of his head from his body.